this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to transform from Word to Docs in under 1 minute, so better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. First we have this sample of the text we want to transform. We're gonna go to Google and we're gonna go to the Drive. We're gonna click on New, File Upload, and search for our sample here. You have to click on it and it's already in Google Docs without any change in the text. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.